In this video, we're going to show how to change to a different project in iCON and make sure you have the correct file selected for that project. So first thing you'll do from the home screen is hit the project button. Then we'll switch it to the project you would like to work in. Now we can hit the return arrow up here to return back to the home screen. Now, if this is a project you've worked in before, all the correct files will already be selected unless there's a new surface or updated revised line work, things like that. Then you would need to go in and select them. That's done under settings. So if we go to settings, then we can go to surface. As you can see here, we have a surface file already loaded. So we can hit the X here to remove it to show you what it'd look like. But you have a bunch of different models. The main ones you'll be using are height reference, road line, and terrain. A height reference is if you want to be able to just type in elevation for a flat pad. A road line would be a string line model for it to calculate a surface based off of a string line with the cross-section profile data and stationing data all loaded in for a road line or string model. Then terrain model. This is going to be a 3D tri-mesh, so the triangles you're used to seeing on a standard surface. That's what we have loaded here as an example. So after we've selected terrain model, then we'll say we have it to choose from. We're going to add it as an active model. We can hit preview and we can see what it looks like. Zoom in on it, check it out. Also, if you want to add a center line to show your stationing, we can click on here and select the center line you would like to have the stationing shown on the run screen. Now if we go to the next page, we have our help models. The standard one most people use is going to be a DWG DXF standard CAD file. And this is where you can load in the same thing you would, like say if we didn't have this CAD file loaded, we could pick it from the list or line work file, hit add, and now it's ready to use inside of the project. Again, if these were already there, you would just change your project and hit grade. But since we know we have everything we want, we can hit grade. And if we had if we wasn't on a simulator, it would show where we were at on the project. Thank you for watching.